Good day to Doctor. My name is Neha, daughter of S. Bhaskaran, and my matric number is A22B1046. Now I am going to present the interrelationship between consumer behavior and also marketing concept. Before I explain in details about the consumer behavior and also marketing concept, I would like to define what is actually consumer behavior and also marketing concept. The phrase consumer behavior describes the action that customers do to find, accuracy, use and assess the goods and services that the users believe it will meet their needs and also wants, whereas a marketing concept is the basis that a business must be identified the targeted consumer's requirement and objective to provide the desired satisfaction. So there are few concepts that must be applied in every firm to remain a good interconnection of consumer behavior and also marketing concept. Firstly, the organization must recognize the needs and also wants of the consumer. The study of buying behavior focuses on how the people make choices that fulfill their basic needs and also wants, and is analyzed the aspect of culture, society and also psychology that impact the decision to buy. Other than that, the customer perception has high perspective of the purchases and usage of the product. Next will be the market concept of understanding and customer satisfaction will be more concerned about the goods provided in business to enhance their firm and able to compete with other competitors. Additionally, marketers able to find more about what the decision of consumer to buy and analyzing customers' behavior. Next is customer-centric approach will be one of interconnection between the consumer behavior and also marketing concept. Customer-centric is company strategy that emphasize the client's needs and also wants as their priority to fulfill their satisfaction. Other than that, building loyalty and trust is one of statistical significance. This indicates that the users are asked when communicating with the company when they offer purchase the goods with a good quality. Besides, market research that plays a role in all the industry. Market analysis defines as the practice of assessing an innovative service and products based on the direct discussion with the potential customers. This is because the organization can identify its targeted market by gathering the consumers' feedback and other input regarding their interest in the goods and also services delivered. The efficiency of market research is greatly enhanced by data from the consumer behavior studies, which indicates the traits, preference, and factors that impact during the purchase decisions. In conclusion, consumer behavior offers the necessary data that companies require to effectively execute the marketing concept. Organizations may develop beneficial marketing tactics that connect with the intent customer and develop a long-term relationship by learning their choices, decisions, and preference about the product and also services produced by the company. That's all from me. Thank you.
The second question is, discuss the advantages and disadvantages of using demographics as a basis for segmentation. First advantage is measurable and accessible data. Demographic data such as age, gender, income, education, and location are frequently accessible and reasonably easy to gather. Moreover, segmentation precision. Segmentation precision refers to the degree of detail and accuracy with which a market is split into discrete parts. Furthermore, product development. Demographics can help refinement and development of products. Next is competitive analysis. We can identify the areas where we can excel and look for further opportunities to improvise to move up to the next level. Last but not least, efficient communication. Demographics can be utilized intelligently to determine whether our clients are using modern technology or more traditional forms of communication.
Hi everyone, I'm Divya Radhakrishnan. My metric number is A22B1010. Here, I would like to talk about advantage of using demographic as a basis for segmentation. One drawback of using demographic is that can lead to oversimplification and generalization. People within same demographic can have a very different lifestyle, interests, and buying habits. Using demographic alone may lead to an inaccurate conclusion about customer preferences. Additionally, demographic characteristics can change quickly due to the factor like marriage rates, birth rates, immigration pattern, and economic condition. Depending on static demographic data and can become inactive and outdated. Moreover, multiple businesses target the same demographic with a similar product. It can lead to the intense competition and price wars. In this situation, relying on the demographic segmentation may not provide a competitive advantage, especially when the competitors are offering similar product to the same audience. Additionally, the study of demographic does not take into account the complex culture differences within a population. It fails to recognize that people of the same age or income group can have a diverse culture backgrounds, values, and tradition that greatly influence their purchasing decision. Ignoring these culture differences can result in marketing campaigns that are not effective and could not be offense. By solely relying on demographic data, businesses risk missing on emerging traits and preferences, particularly among younger generation who are often earlier adapters of new products and technology. As the result, this narrow focus of demographic can cause businesses to lose out profitable opportunity and ultimately decrease their market share.
Demographics and psychographics can be used together to develop audience segmentation tactics that are more accurate and successful. Demographics data provides information about basic characteristics of consumers, while psychographics data explores consumers' psychological and lifestyle characteristics. For an example, Starbucks is known for integrating demographics and psychographics data to target and engage with their customer. Starbucks use demographic data such as location and age and income. Other than that, Starbucks utilizes the psychographics data such as lifestyle and values, product customization, and sustainability and ethical practices.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Izati binti Razikin. My matrix number A22B0052. Okay, next I'll continue. We also need to understand the needs of consumer behavior in marketing, as all of us is the same human being, but we all have a different need and thoughts of our emotion. Thus, that make us different from each other. These differences also helping firm in developing and researching more about how to fulfill the demand from consumer and producing more goods or services in this industry. Okay, thus people differences in needs and wants make it difficult to comprehend customer behavior. The relationship of consumer behavior and marketing strategy is that first, customer are the center of business operation. Marketing strategy are developed to satisfy customer needs and the changes in market environment increasing need for consumer awareness. Next, I will continue. The fundamental approach to developing a marketing plan that works in the market is to understand the consumer behavior, and business success or failure is also determined by the response the customer have. The marketing plan and corporation can only fail by providing value to its customer. Marketers also use various ways in order to research more about the needs of the customer. For example, like making a survey, focusing on one type of group target audience, and many others. By making a survey concerning a product or services that can be presented to the potential customer, who can then be asked to indicate which feature they find the most or least significant, or to answer yes or no in the question. Meanwhile, focus group type of consumer research technique where a product is discussed with small group of people. This offers only a tiny taste of how consumers will respond to the product and what feature that they value the most. And the next one is the buyer club cards, like the one we found at some supermarket, is also one type of marketing strategy that used to monitor the individual customer purchases and at the same time to encourage them to keep buying and purchasing from the market by giving some discount or free gift for customers that always buying their product at their supermarket. It also can maintain an extensive record of every item a single person buy regardless of whether it is sale or not. This gives the business useful information that it can utilize to target particular market. This type of marketing strategy I use to monitor individual customer purchases. By comprehending the correlation between marketing and consumer behavior, frequently hints on conducting basic physiological analysis of the target audience and identifying the attributes that are most likely to strike a chord with them. For example, like a marketing campaign for premium natural skincare product will require a very different approach than one hunting referrals. A campaign that is successful will consider the target consumers' purchasing habits. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shantini Ramesh. My matrix number is A21A3439. I'm going to present question number 3. How can marketers use technology to improve customer retention and enhance their bonds with customers? Firstly, mobile apps and loyalty programs. For example, giving incentives and rewards for recurring purchases to customers. Furthermore, chatbots and powered by artificial intelligence customer support technologies by this can interact and build deeper connections with customers. Besides customer relationship management system, it can help to organize and maintain customer details, interactions and preferences. Additionally, email marketing automation tools. It helps in quicker responses and improved communication with customers. Apart from that, personalization, which can suggest goods and information based on preferences of specific customers. Last but not least, feedbacks and demands from customers. For example, this can be achieved by survey forms on the website to get input from customers. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurul Shafiqah binti Ruslan. My metric number is A22B0018. My session will be how does the sensation of touch impact customer attitude to product. As you can see on slide, there are various points that I will summarize to you. The initial point is the sense of touch has a significant impact on consumer response to product. Please allow me to explain how this feeling of touch may impact customer attraction to a product in general. Touch, when combined with other sense, may generate a thorough impression of an object, influencing buyer to make a judgment and a conclusion about the product. Now let us move on to the second point. One of the key ways that the sense of touch influences how people react to a product is through the textile of quality. There are a few characters who influence the customer decision. The texture of a product, whether smooth or rough, texture or soft, weighty or light, has a big impact on customer impression. Smooth texture indicate luxury or good quality, whereas rough texture indicate inferior quality. For the luxury thing frequently implies softness, whereas durable item frequently feature of harsh surface. Let we proceed to the next notion, is that brand identity may also be formed via touch. Apple and Coca-Cola, for example, employ textile hint to differentiate their product from competitors. Apple ecosystem product lines and Coca-Cola recognizable glass container may conjure emotion and history, while Apple retail feature implies sleek aesthetic. Furthermore, touch has the ability to improve a product functioning, such as ergonomic furniture design, precise culturing usage, and long-lasting apparel. Firms that address textile feature during product design may build a good that improve user experience and feedback, resulting in a well-designed product that support the natural curvature of the spine. In my final point, I want to conclude that touch is important sensory modality that impact customer decision greatly. To improve customer pleasure and satisfaction, business should prioritize the textile experience throughout product design, ensuring a multimodal experience in their goods.